Hey, welcome back to Life in Fort Myers. In today's video, we're going to go through some homes, new construction homes here in Estero, Florida, that are going to show you the different price points and different types of homes that you can build, what you're going to get for your money. This is the Cascade model here in Estero, Florida at the newest GL Homes community. This is a 5-bedroom, 7-bath, absolute monster of a house. And off my cheat sheet, this home is starting at $840,900. So why don't we check out what you're gonna get for your money. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell below so you can be notified of any of our new videos as we release them, and you can stay on top of the current market trends here in Fort Myers, Florida. My name's John, and I get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, reach out. My contact info is in the description box below. I'm here to help you make an easy move to Southwest Florida. So let's go check out this new house here in Estero in RiverCreek. So this is the Cascade model. As you can see, it's a 2-story, beautiful home here. 5 bedrooms, 7 baths, family room, living room, formal dining, loft, screened and covered patio, and a 2-car garage, all starting at $840,900. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this beautiful bar here. 2-story entrance as you come in. Let's check out up here. The bedroom. Full suite. Beautiful bedroom, nice tall ceilings. This is all standard. What you're seeing in this home is all standard. Anything that you want to change or upgrade, you can through their design center, which is here on site in the community. Garage. Beautiful formal dining room here. Wine refrigerator. Massive, massive house, very spacious. Living room here, pool bath off to the side there. You have your kitchen. Again, this is all standard stuff, except for the lighting package. All these decorative lights are designer finishes that you can always upgrade to once you come through the whole design center. Very nice. They have 3 different pool packages that you can choose from that you want to add, and then a cage if you wanted to put a cage on to keep all the mosquitoes and bugs out if you wanted to as well. Nice sliding glass doors here that open up this whole room to make it an indoor-outdoor feel, outdoor grilling area. Let's go check out the second floor now. It's a beautiful, wide open loft area down to the second floor. Just pretty cool. This is stuff you don't see in these types of homes down here in Florida. A lot of the other bigger builders are just standard cookie cutter homes, and this is a very nice custom look, and you can change the feel of it. You're not the same everybody that's living in your neighborhood. That's what's nice about GL Homes, is they allow that customization. Here's one of the other bedrooms. Again, has its full suite, full bathroom, and your own closet. Laundry room, Very spacious laundry room, sink in there. Another full bathroom. Nice sized bedroom. Plenty of storage. Another full suite bedroom, your own full bathroom, master and closet. Then we have the primary bedroom. So we have 4 total bedrooms up here, the 3 bedrooms plus the primary. Very cool look. I love the floors. Very nice spacious closets. Massive primary bathroom here with a walk-in shower and tub. That's it. What is over here? Oh, there's another. We have another. Oh, we have his closet, I guess. And so the master suite has 2 bathrooms. So as you can see, this Cascade model is absolutely massive, beautiful home. You have 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, again, starting at $840,900. Tons of incentives to live or to move into this community with their in-house financing, as well as this community has tons of different amenities, whether it's the clubhouse, the newly built clubhouse, resort-style pool, basketball courts, pickleball courts, tennis courts, indoor basketball court, half court, your full spa, yoga center, a full gym for exercising. This is a truly one-of-a-kind neighborhood here in Estero, Florida. That's halfway between Naples and Fort Myers and only a few miles from I-75. Definitely a place that should be checked out. And if you're looking to move or relocate or build a home here, there's lots of different options with building. They also have spec homes that are available. So if you need to move in right away, they definitely have those options for you. Reach out to me anytime you want. I can help you go through these homes and get you all the information that you need. Thank you.